everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Guys, a few weeks back, Simphiwe Ngema celebrated her birthday and she later shared some pictures with her family and her boyfriend Tino Chinyani, who is a Zimbabwean-born TV host, media guru and model. And boom, today Simphiwe Ngema shared a very confusing breakup announcement which left many people asking if she was joking or not. Her post reads as follows: an end to a beautiful love story. This has been one of my greatest experiences, a beautiful love story of two people fighting all the odds to be together. I have learned to love again, to feel again, to live again, and to smile again. I will forever be grateful for everything you have taught me. I pray that God gives us the strength and wisdom to raise our beautiful son. At Tino Chinyani, we will always be great parents to you and we will always be there for you. Not tears here, just lessons learned and beautiful memories. I really had a beautiful, fun weekend. Here is to friendship and dope as co-parenting at Tino Chinyani. Take care of yourself, love you forever and always. Guys, Tino has not given any statement or said anything in response to the unfortunate breakup. It didn't end in tears, but for some reasons they couldn't be together. Guys, we don't know the reason behind their breakup, but yeah, it's over. We wish them all the best. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.